Welcome to episode 7 of Creative Sessions. In this episode, we're excited to have our very first guest, none other than Miss Beverly Herwood. Welcome, Beverly.
Thank you, Jamie. It's a pleasure to be here.
It's a pleasure to have you too. And it's actually very fitting that you're the first guest we have on our show, as you're literally the reason we started SISER Heat Transfer Vinyl. As a bit of a backstory, guys, Beverly came to us back in 2015. She was a good customer buying Arlon sticker vinyl from us, and she actually requested that we start bringing in heat transfer vinyl. At the time, we weren't selling it, and going into the arts and crafts market was a bit daunting, but we did some research and managed to secure the SISER agency and brought our first shipment. As they say, the rest is history.
Yes, Jamie, I remember my husband had an appointment in Manor Lodge that morning, and instead of using the main gate, he came through the top gate, and that's how he saw your store. And he called me at the same time, and he was like, "Babe, there's a store selling vinyl, reach out and see if they're selling the one for clothing," which, as you said, y'all weren't. And I remember coming and asking if y'all were ever going to be interested in bringing in the vinyl. And I don't know if you can remember when I went home and printed all those samples on the t-shirt.
Yes.
With the names of the vinyl, so you would know exactly which is which.
Yes.
Because I was that determined to get you guys to swear, and actually bring it in to save me as well from having to bring it in, because I had to bring it in pieces. So this way, if I know it's here, I know I can get it whenever I need to and not have to wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks for it to actually be shipped here.
Perfect.
So I'm glad that you all did follow through, and now it's benefiting a whole lot more people. So it was great that you guys did take up the mantle and run with it, and to see how far now it has gotten.
Thank you. So guys, without further delay, let's get this episode rolling. So as you guys may have noticed, we have a whole bunch of new SISER colors here, which you're actually plucking and pressing onto some shirts and masks. Here's the best part. We're actually going to do a raffle giveaway on the next episode for the 5 items that we're going to create today, which are 3 masks and 2 shirts. All you have to do is drop a comment on the video. We'll be taking the first 20 comments and randomly selecting 6 persons. So make sure and drop a comment below for a chance to win. With that said, Beverly, shall we start?
Yes, please, let's do it. This is what you do if your vinyl is rolling back on you. Just need a little bit of masking tape to hold the corners especially, because you don't want it to kink up in your machine and damage any of the gears in there. Alright, in some cases where, especially if you're dealing with the older model silhouette cameo, you may find that some settings work for different materials. So originally, the setting for the holographic was a blade of 3. I found that when I used that, it wasn't cutting through. So I just adjusted and used the setting now for cardstock, and changed the blade from 3 to 4. You see the speed is 4, the thickness is 20. And it cut cleanly, and not only cut cleanly, but it did not cut through the back end, which is what you're aiming for. I want my crepe to go. That's where the first one will be. Okay, so for this material, we're going to do it at a heat of 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. And this is a cold peel, so you let the material cool first, then you peel it. So we have the cut going to the shirt. That's the mask. Now I covered the bottom part of this with a Teflon sheet to make sure that nothing sticks to this. Now this material, I believe the heat press will pick it up. I covered it with a Teflon sheet, so you only need to use just a section of this one because the machine will not stick to this. Now is to let it cool before removing the plastic back. I'm just going to put it on the machine one more time for just a couple seconds to make sure it's really on there. Just 20 seconds. And there is your finished product. Press for 20 seconds as we did with the mask.
Epic shirt, guys. Epic shirt. Epic shirt. Let's try something here. Whoa. Whew. Nice work, Beverly. Thank you very much. That's it, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed it and are inspired to try out some designs with these sick new colors. This one, by the way, this is my favorite. So Beverly, thank you very much for joining us on this episode. We hope to have you back again soon. Guys, don't forget to check our page at xsite246. The tag is below and in the description. She's been supporting us for many years and does an incredible work with our material.
Thank you for having me, and it was truly a pleasure to be here.
So guys, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our episodes. Don't forget to drop us a comment below for a chance to win one of these pieces that we did today. And as usual,
see you next week.